current date is Wednesday, September 25th. I'm currently in a long position. We took a long this morning at 1475, took half off at 1403, and we're looking for a move up to exceed the 1408 area, and we're looking for a possible ABC pattern to set up here around the 1413. Now, last Friday's high was 1411.75, and last week's high was 1414.50. We're going to strike a bit of resistance here at the gap closure at 1408.50 and the high of yesterday. So at the moment we have no risk in the trade, and our stop's above entry. We can actually move our stop up a little bit. So already taken a couple of points out, and got about a point or so on the stop. Going for a little bit more if we can get it. There is a possibility that we fail here. Some people will be comfortable taking the profit at 5.5, 6 points here. Add that to the 2 on the first half. So there's sort of 8 points at the moment, and it's only 10:30. We'll pause for a little bit and let things cook here. So we have a long on from 275, got stopped out here at 225. So we'll sit long with a 5-point stop and see what happens, see if we can get some more upside. Okay, so we're now at 11:30, 11:29 Eastern, and we're back up to 1405 area. We're going to take 2 points profit on the first half. That enables us to put our stop at a 2-point below entry, which would give us a break-even trade. And of course we're going to try and get a larger profit if we can. We would hope that it finds its way back up towards the 0608 or possibly beyond area. Okay, it's now 11:40 AM Eastern, and the market sort of moved up a few points. Going to move a stop up another point, so the trade is profitable even if we get stopped out. Of course we're going for somewhere around the 09 area at this stage. If it comes back down here to entry and just below it, I wouldn't want to be in it. It's probably going to retest the lows. So we'll just leave the stop here. In the meantime, we'll take a quick look at the 60-minute chart. You can see here that from about 8.5, 8.7 through to today, about a month, a calendar month at least, we've been in a 30-point range, and a huge amount of choppy 8-point, 10-point days. It's been a fairly tricky sort of market to trade. You've really got to take your points and focus a lot more. As we could see this morning, yesterday was a bit of a hint of what might have happened if we got up to the 08 area, and I should have been a little bit more alert there, that we got up to the 08 yesterday, and then we very quickly sold off to 02. The same thing happened this morning. We got up to the exact same high and sold off down to 01.25. Of course we got stopped out on the second half there. Still a win, but given the scenario yesterday where we sold off 6 points or so very quickly, we should have been taking profits up at the 07 and just sitting back and waiting, or at least winding our stop up to the 05 instead of 02. We could have got a few more points out of that. Okay, we're now at 1 p.m. Eastern. Going to move the stop up to entry 0275, 0250. Okay, we're back. It's 1 o'clock. The market's just sort of done nothing throughout lunch. We're going to move the stop to the entry price of 0275. We picked up 2 points on the first half, so the trade's still 100 in the money. Okay, we're now at 1:30. I just want to point out something here on the 5-minute chart. Yesterday when we went up to 0825, where we failed again this morning, we came down to the 02 area. We did exactly the same thing this morning. Then we had a bounce up to the 06.5 area. We've also bounced back to the 06. Then we came back down and had another bounce up to 06 again and failed. And we've also done that again. We failed here at 1 o'clock at 06 again. So we're just doing a repeat of yesterday afternoon, beginning at the high at 2:40 p.m. Eastern. Today, of course, that high happened at 10:35. Nevertheless, exactly the same sell-offs, rallies and pullbacks and so forth. So this is why we've moved our stop, because we could just continue on down now. We're currently stopped at entry there. Okay, so at the moment we're at 156. We've taken a long near the double bottom area, or let's say the bottom area of today's market at around the 99 3/4. Okay, we're now at 2:30 p.m. We're going to move our profit target down to 0250 on the first half. And we're filled on that. We're going to move the stop to 0050, which is 1 point below entry, to give us a break-even trade here. If it comes back down to 0050, we don't want to be in it. If we get up into the 03s, we'll probably be moving the stop up. May even consider taking a couple of points out. We'll just see what the momentum does, if there's any at all. See if we can get back up to this the opening price of 04 and 1/4. Probably going to strike some issues there. Currently ticking up towards the 04. It's 2:35 p.m, 5 minutes later than previously. We are trying to make it go up towards this 04. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take profits at 0350 for 2 points. Just flatten out the position for now. I just add another 2 points to the day's total. We'll take a look at our point total today and see how we did. I'll bring up the trades here, put them on a 1 minute. So we got 2 1/4 points here, stopped out down here for another 1.5. We entered again at 0275, got out at 475, and then of course got out again at entry. We had another long entry around this support area here at 0150, took out a point there and then another point here, so another 3 points. So if we tally that up, we would probably be plus 2.25 plus 1.5 plus 2 then we had a 0, then we had a +1, and then we had a +2. So to give us 375, 575, 675, 875. For the day. Make that a little bit larger. So we're sort of just shy of 9 points on the day. Not too bad. We could have gotten an extra few points on the first one, of course. But we're getting to a stage in the market where there's going to be a break of one direction, whether to the short side or the upside. When you're long and it sort of looks as though the market's, moving in the positive direction, you don't want to get out too quick and then leave 10 points on the table. So sometimes you have to get stopped out, get back in and give it another shot.